A moment that will once again redefine human understanding has arrived. This time, scientists have successfully detected a neutrino with astonishing energy, truly the ultimate king among ghost particles. On February 13, 2023, a neutrino telescope hidden several thousand meters beneath the sea successfully recorded a neutrino with an energy as high as 220 peta-electron-volts. This discovery not only shatters our traditional understanding of neutrinos, but has also sent shockwaves throughout the entire scientific community. What does 220 peta-electron-volts actually mean? Simply put, even the neutrinos produced by nuclear fusion inside the Sun have only 100 billionth the energy of this neutrino. The energy of this neutrino is so immense it's almost unbelievable. Not only is it the most energetic neutrino ever discovered by humans, it also redefines our understanding of high-energy particles in the universe. Across the entire universe, there are only a handful of phenomena capable of producing such high-energy neutrinos. Perhaps only the violent devouring by supermassive black holes, the intense explosions of supernovae, or extreme astrophysical events like powerful gamma-ray bursts could, through a rare natural coincidence, give birth to this energy-packed ghost particle. The appearance of this neutrino can truly be called a miracle in the universe, and it might even be humanity's only chance to capture such a high-energy particle. This discovery not only gives us a brand new understanding of neutrinos, but also provides important clues for exploring extreme phenomena in the universe. The appearance of this ultimate boss-level neutrino may be just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the mysteries of the universe, but it has undoubtedly opened a door for us to an unknown world. In the future, will we ever encounter such a miracle again? Perhaps the answer is hidden somewhere in the universe, waiting for humanity to discover it.